Good morning, students. Next we have the other complementary goods and substitute goods. Complementary goods and substitute goods. It is also 4 marks question. Explain the differences between complementary and substitute goods. Complementary and substitute goods. It is 4 marks question. So there are differences between complementary goods and substitute goods. We have discussed about normal goods and inferior goods. Now we have the other different type of goods, complementary goods and substitute goods. Now, complementary goods are consumed. These are consumed together to satisfy a human want. If a person want to satisfy a particular want, he needs two or more goods to satisfy that want. So such goods are known as a complementary goods. For example, if a person wants to ride a bike, he needs two goods here, bike and petrol. For example, if a person wants to consume tea, he needs tea powder, sugar, milk, etc. Such goods are known as complementary goods. Complementary goods are those goods which are consumed together. So there is an inverse relationship between, opposite relationship between the price of a good, the price of a commodity, and demand for its complementary good. So there is opposite relationship between the demand for a good and its complementary good. For example, if prices of bikes or cars increases in the market, so the demand for petrol decreases. So here there is an inverse relationship between the price of a commodity and demand for its complementary good. And tea powder, the best example for complementary goods, tea powder and sugar, pen and ink, bike and petrol, etc. These are best example for complementary goods. These are used together to satisfy human wants. So this is explanation regarding complementary goods. Next we have substitute goods. Substitute goods are those goods. These are used as alternatives. To satisfy a want. These are alternative goods used to satisfy a human want. For example, a person or a consumer who wants to consume hot drinks, he may consume tea or coffee or Bonvita, etc. So here tea and coffee are substitute goods. Because here consumer may consume one commodity to satisfy his want. So he cannot consume tea and coffee, both tea and coffee to satisfy his want. So here goods which are used as alternatives to satisfy a want is known as these goods are known as a substitute goods. There is positive relationship between price of a commodity, positive relationship between price of a good and demand for its substitutes. So here the best example for substitutes, tea and coffee. So if the price of a copy increases, if the price of a coffee, if the price of copy increases, the demand for tea increases. Demand for tea increases. If price of coffee decreases, demand for tea also decreases. So here there is positive relationship between the price of a good and demand for its substitutes. So here, suppose the price of coffee increases, demand for tea increases, price of coffee increases, demand for tea increases because consumers prefer tea instead of coffee. So the relationship between the price of a good and the demand for its substitutes is positive. So this is explanation regarding the differences between complementary and substitute goods. Thank you.